Aloha everyone, welcome back to Kristilani Vlogs. I know I haven't seen you off in a bit, but today I have a Madam Glam of New York unboxing for you guys today. So here's the box. It's a do another demonstration on the fingernails after this, but I'm gonna just do the unboxing right now for you guys. This is a really great fingernail polish because I've used it already. It's so easy for me to just, you know, do my own at home and stuff. So I'm gonna go and share this with you guys. I also have a coupon, like a discount code. I'll leave that down below. First thing I pull out is a Madam Glam mini UV LED lamp. Okay, keep in mind I have opened it already to test it out, and this is really cute because it's so small. It's really small. Look at that. And you can just kind of like, it's a portable thing. You can just put it, carry it with you if you're gonna go, like maybe you're gonna go for the weekend somewhere to your boyfriend's or something, and then you want to do your nails. It's so simple, and it comes with a USB cord and this. I was so happy to receive it. It was really a nice treat to receive this, and it makes me feel like I can do my own nails now. Because one thing for this, they sent this to me. They sent 3 colors, and they sent me the base coat and the top coat. And then they sent me 3 different colors of blue because I told them I like the blue. The first blue I pulled out is glittery midnight blue. And it's nice because it has like the color right on there. And then it has the color down below on the bottom very clearly. We're just gonna open it. And don't mind my finger. I was trying to take it out. It's been like a week I had this nails on. So I just wanted to take this out so that I can do a fresh coat for you guys. But since I have my makeup on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the unboxing. Okay. That's really a beautiful color. You see it? Okay. Don't look at my fingernails, okay, because I was picking it. But these last very long. And you know what? My fingernails are so thin that I can't never grow them long. So you see, like, it really bends my nails like that. So this is a good thing to have over it instead of using acrylic nails, because I would use acrylic nails because I don't have any hard nails. My nails will always be that soft and break, and it's so hard to, it's just so hard with thin nails like mine. But using this for that time that I did, like almost a week, it made my nails feel strong because it had like the gel on it. So, you know, like my nails feel a little bit better, because usually I'm gonna cut my nails short because of that problem that I have. It's really thin, like it's ridiculously thin. Okay. So the next one I have, it's this color here. This is the Aqua Blue. So that would be that color there. And this is, oh, this is the midnight blue color on my fingernails. Okay. Okay. So that would be this color here. It's really nice colors. I think this baby blue, this is the baby blue color. I think that went on a little bit too light for me, but you can always use this for, like, you know, nail art. Just put, like, you know, make it into nail art onto your fingernails. But for me, this was a little bit too light, if you see that. Okay. Keep in mind, I did have this on for a while, a bit. Okay, and I was feeling it. Don't look at that, because that's not because of the nail polish, it's because of me. And then this is the baby blue. Where's the trick? So, you know, I was really impressed by this whole set. You can always purchase everything you want in one site instead of having fingernail polish here. You got to go buy a lamp somewhere else. It's so convenient. You can purchase it at the same website. They're also cruelty-free. This is an awesome name to it. It's cruelty-free vegan. It's also 9-free formula, palm oil free, and gluten-free as well. So this is a really nice product. All those things are really great to have in a product, you know. You want it to be vegan free, so it's like tested on no animals or anything like that. But I was really impressed by this, and I think I'm gonna purchase more of different colors. So I would, you know, if I'm gonna repurchase, I'm definitely gonna recommend these nails. And this little kit here, it was really nice to receive it. And I'm gonna do my nails more now because it's so easy, and the nail polish makes my nails hard as well. So stay tuned for the demonstration. I'm gonna prepare my nails and then we're gonna get that done. Hey guys, so I'm back finishing up my nail video. Okay, so I did receive Madam Glam nail polish, and never mind my hands, but this is the nail polish. Okay, so the review that I did was on natural nails at the beginning, and then I now am putting it on fake nails, and they both, it works both on great on both nails. Like I said earlier, in my fingernails don't grow very thick, so that's why it's nice for me to just use that instead of having acrylic nails sometimes, you know. So it's kind of like I can do both. But if you have really thin nails, gel nail is the way to go, so it can harden up your nail without breaking your nail. My nails cannot grow past my, like, it cannot even grow a little because it does break. It does, it's just, I don't know how I got that kind of nails. It's so thin that it's horrible. But using the nail polish, I used it about over a week and it lasted. I did start peeling it off because that's what I do, but I just did this nails today, and this is all the nail colors, and then this is the other side, the light pink one that I shown you guys earlier. Having nails on my hand, it does make it a little bit longer, my fingers, but yeah. So this is the nails, and it looks very nice. I, for myself, will reorder more colors so that I can do it at home. I'm not a professional nail person either, and it does get on the side of my nails, but I only can try, right? I can only try. But yeah, you guys should go and check out those nail colors. It does come with it's a one-stop shop where you can get the lamp, the nail polish, and all of that good stuff. So go ahead, I'll leave all the links down below for this. Yeah, and it's really affordable and it works great. So, you know, I just got nothing but good things to say about it. Alrighty guys, but you guys take care, God bless. Don't forget, my code will be down there. You can get some percent. Check that down below if you guys are into fingernails, nail polish, glamour, you know. Alrighty guys, you guys take care, God bless. I will see you in my next video. You guys take care, God bless.